Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to hide and unhide column with a shortcut key. So for this purpose, we have a data uh, of bank details like customer ID, customer name, transaction date and transaction amount. Suppose we want to hide these two columns C and D. So for this, we will select this and we will press control 0 and our column is now hide. And to unhide this, what will we do? So for this purpose, we will press alt a g and here uh, a plus icon. So if we click on this plus icon, our column will be unhide, and if we click on this minus icon, column will be hidden. And this is like a button for unhiding and hiding the column. If we click on plus sign, column will be unhide, and if we click on minus sign, column will be hide. So I hope you have understood how to unhide column and hide column with two shortcut keys, control 0 and alt a g g. Thank you for watching this video.